Hindu festival Diwali days and their importance. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is one of the most significant and widely celebrated festivals in Hinduism. It has various cultural and religious significance, and it typically lasts for 5 days. The festival usually falls in October or November, depending on the Hindu lunar calendar. Diwali is celebrated for several reasons, and the specific significance of each day varies across different regions and communities in India. Here's the deals of the main days of Diwali and their importance. 1. Dhanteras. The first day of Diwali is known as Dhanteras. It is considered an auspicious day for purchasing precious metals, particularly gold and silver, or new utensils. This day is associated with the story of King Hima's young son, whose life was saved by lighting lamps to keep him awake throughout the night, preventing Yam, the god of death, from taking his life. 2. Chhoti Diwali or Narka Chaturdashi. The second day of Diwali is also known as Chhoti Diwali or Narka Chaturdashi. It is believed to be the day when Lord Krishna defeated the demon Narkasura. People light oil lamps and firecrackers to symbolize the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. 3. Diwali or Deepavali. The third and main day of Diwali is celebrated with great enthusiasm. On this day, people clean and decorate their homes, light oil lamps, diyas, and offer prayers to Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. The lighting of lamps signifies the victory of light over darkness and knowledge over ignorance. Fireworks are a common feature of this day. 4. Govardhan Puja. The fourth day of Diwali is known as Govardhan Puja or Annakut. This day is associated with the story of Lord Krishna lifting the Govardhan hill to protect the people of Vrindavan from torrential rain and floods. Devotees prepare a variety of food items and offer them to deities as a symbol of gratitude for the bounties of nature. 5. Bhai Dooj. The fifth and final day of Diwali is called Bhai Dooj. It is dedicated to the bond between brothers and sisters. Sisters perform aarti for their brothers and apply a vermilion mark on their foreheads, and brothers offer gifts to their sisters as a token of love and protection. Overall, Diwali is a time for family gatherings, feasting, exchanging gifts, and spreading joy. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance, making it one of the most joyous and spiritually significant festivals in Hinduism. The specific customs and traditions associated with Diwali may vary by region and community, but the underlying themes of celebration and spirituality remain consistent.